Hey, I'm Dan over at Loxo with a quick look at syncing up your email and your calendar with your Loxo system. It's actually very simple. So when you're logged in, go to the gear icon up here at the upper right, click on that, and then choose settings down here at the bottom. Everything happens on the left-hand column on the settings page, and we're going to go to the upper left-hand corner where it says synced emails. Click on that. And to sync up your work email with your Loxo system, you're going to use the blue add button over here at the upper right. Click on that, enter in your work email address, and hit the save button. It's as simple as that. At that point, you'll see your email address displayed here. And when you hover over it with your mouse, it should say running, which tells you that the sync is working perfectly. If it says anything other than running when you hover over it, then get in touch with us down here at the lower right at support. You can use this chat button here to start a conversation with one of our support superstars, and they'll be able to help you out if you're having any hitch as you sync up your email. Now, going forward, if you want to delete the sync for some reason, let's say you change your email address at work for some reason, something like that, hit the red X over here on the far right to delete the sync, and you can repeat the process and resync it with the same email or a new email if you want. And then if you're sharing your email with someone else on your team, sometimes we see that like while I'm out of town, Keely's going to be handling my emails kind of thing. You can use this drop down here, which will display all the other folks that are logging into your account, and you can choose who else you're going to give access to your emails. And there is a resync button here as well. If you're having an issue with a sync and support tells you to resync your email, your existing email, you'll be able to use the resync button here. So that's syncing up your email, and that is a two-way sync. Now, let's talk about syncing up your calendar up here at the upper left, just below synced emails. Click on sync calendars and basically repeat the process. So you're going to click on the blue add button at the upper right, and when you do, you're going to enter in the email address that is associated with the calendar that you want to sync up. And then just hit save and it'll display down below here. Now, the calendar sync is a one-way sync, which means that if you do something like create a task in Loxo, like a follow-up phone call with a candidate, let's say, we can push that out of your Loxo calendar onto your calendar, whether you're using Google Calendar or Outlook or what have you. But it doesn't work the other way around. We're not going to be able to look into your calendar and pull your events and display them on the Loxo calendar. So that's a one-way sync. Keep that in mind. So that's it. It's an easy process of syncing up your email and your calendar with your Loxo system, but do reach out to us at support if you have any hiccups along the way. Thanks for taking the time out to watch this. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.